How to automatically match the task assignee with the job assignee. TaxDome allows for the automatic matching of tasks and job assignees, so you don't waste any time doing it manually. Whenever you're creating jobs, you can choose who will be assigned to the job. This is paramount for automating the assignment process for the task automations that you placed into the pipeline stages. Let's go to My Pipeline settings and add a task automation to one of these stages. I will have the option to enable this toggle right under the template field. If you enable it, the job assignees will be assigned to the newly created task as soon as a job enters the stage with this task automation. If you manually move a job into the stage, you will see a notification about the triggered automation. Open the job card, and you will see the job assignees appear in the assignee field of the task field. However, you can still modify the assignment if you need someone else to handle the task. It works the same way if the task automation is in the first stage and you create the job. The same menu that lists the automations will appear, and immediately you'll be able to see who will be assigned and also make changes. Please remember that no one will be assigned if no one is assigned to the job when it triggers a task automation with the matching function enabled.